So our first chapter for Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya entrance exam and Sainik school entrance exam, because in Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya entrance exam and Sainik school entrance exam, the same chapter is there. Okay, so the chapter name is number system, which is from mathematics and which is very important chapter. So now we are going to explain this chapter in details, and if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel All Rounder BSS, then please have subscribed to our YouTube channel and please like and share this video because we are working hard for you. So this chapter is which is beyond me, that is the book which I have written for Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya entrance exam and Sainik school entrance exam, which you can purchase from our Android application from Google Play Store. And if you cannot find the book in that app, then please wait for some time. A new version for the app will be provided. So the chapter name is number system. First of all, we will have to understand the name number system. What is number system? Why is number system? And what is there inside the number system? And why we must learn this number system. So first of all, we are going through an example which is familiar. As you know, we are having a family. In that family, there are so many of the relations like mother, father, sister, brother, wife, husband. So many of the relations are there. And if we go through a society, then in a society, there are so many families. More than one family are there in a society. So in a society, that is a system. There is a system. What is the system? In a society, how a girl will marry with a boy. So there is a system that the parents of girl and the parents of boy will meet each other and will have understand to both of them. So there is a system. Similarly, in mathematics, there are so many types of numbers. So how we can identify the numbers? Which number is known as what? So therefore, a system has been stabilized. A system, there are three types of number system which we will discuss in this chapter. So now we are just going to have some screenshots of our book which I have written for a hard work of 2 years, which was my great struggle of my life. So the first question we are having in this chapter, that is, what is number system? So the number system is, what is the number system? A special system in mathematics which help us to know about so many types of numbers. This system of numbers in mathematical term is known as number system. So this video is for English medium students. If you are from any other medium or Hindi medium, then you can skip this video, or if you want to learn about English, then please watch this video last. Okay, so a special system. A special system means, because there are so many types of numbers, and these systems help us easily to identify so many types of numbers. Therefore, these systems are special because they are helping us to identify so many types of the numbers in mathematics. So a special system in mathematics which help us to know about so many types of the numbers. This system of numbers in mathematical term is known as number system. Second question is there, how many types of number systems are there? How many types of number systems are there? Which I have told you already, there are three types of non-number systems are there in mathematics. The first number system is known as international number system. The first system is known as international number system, which is also known as British number system. So the question may be asked in the examination, the international number system is also known as dash dash dash. Then you will have to choose British number system because international number system is also known as British number system. Second system is Indian number system, which is also known as Hindu-Arabic number system. So in the examination, you may have asked that what the other name of Indian number system, and Indian number system is also known as dash dash dash. So that type of questions may be asked in the examination. Okay. So third number system is known as Roman number system. There is no other name of Roman number system. So the third number system is known as Roman number system. Please take notes of all these all these video lectures, because if you are making your own notes, then it will be easy for you to understand in future. It will be easy for you to revise your concept at the time of examination. So in this chapter, we will understand in detail about international number system and in Indian number system. But the Roman number system, for the Roman number system, we have make a separate chapter. We will discuss about this chapter in a separate video. So first of all, we have learned that there are three types of number systems: international number system, which is also known as British number system; Indian number system, which is also known as Hindu-Arabic number system; and the third one is Roman number system, which is a Roman number system. There is no separate name of this number system. So now we are going to discuss about some important notes which are to be noted, which is to be remembered in your mind about this chapter. The first note is here: international number system is most usable and non-number system. International number system is most usable and non-number system in the world than Indian number system and Roman number system. Here it means international number system is using by so many of the pupils in the world. Because if we assume that there is a population of 100 people in whole the world, then in that population more than 60 to 70 people use international number system. And this number system is most usable. As you know, YouTube. In YouTube, you can find 1 million subscribers, 1.5k subscribers. So that is an international number system process. Okay. Second point which is to be remembered, that is in international number system, we use 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 as symbols to represent any number. Here it means in international number system, if we want to build a number, if we want to write any number, then we use these 10 symbols which starts from 0 and ends up to 9. If we want to write a number like 10,000, so here we can write these numbers by using two symbols, 1 and 0. 1 which is written for a single time and the 0 has written for 5 times. So there are so many numbers, but every number consists of all these 10 symbols. We can build any number in international number system by using these 10 symbols. These are the symbols to represent any number. If we go through the third point, that is saying that also in Indian number system, we use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 as symbols to represent any number. It means there is no difference to represent any number in Indian number system and international number system, because in both the number system we use same symbols 0 to 9 to represent any number. The fourth point which is saying that Roman number system. So here it is very important to learn about Roman number system, because Indian number system and international number system are somehow same, somehow similar. But the Roman number system is quite different from all these number systems, because in Roman number system we use English alphabets I, V, X, L, C, M and mathematical bar system to represent any number. Here the word mathematical bar system, which refer to as you know, we have seen so many of the numbers which have written as V bar. So the horizontal line and the top, the horizontal line on the top of this alphabet shows the bar. Bar means it will be a special system which we will discuss in this chapter. But here bar means the bar can be represented by two types. If we write down a alphabet and make a horizontal line on the top of this alphabet, then this is also known as bar. And if we write a alphabet and make two vertical lines sides of it, then it is also known as bar. So both of these are same and have similar value. Okay, so the bar system we will discuss in this chapter. So here we have shown that the bar system like this and this, which is left and right of an alphabet. Okay, so for example, we are taking an example of bar system. Okay, to write 5,000 in Roman number system, to write 5,000 in Roman number system, we use bar with alphabet V, because V represent to 5. And if we make a bar on any of I, V, X, then it will be multiplied by 1,000. It will be multiplied by 1,000. Like, come here, it will represent. So 5,000 will be represented by V and the bar. V bar represent to 5,000. So if you want to represent 5,000 in Roman number system, if you want to represent 5,000 in Roman number system, then V represent to 5 and the bar represent to multiplied by 1,000. Then it is 5,000 in Roman number system. Okay, so it was a better concept. It is a better concept and very interesting concept to learn about Roman number system, which we have already make a separate chapter in our book, and the separate videos will be uploaded on our YouTube channel. Okay, so numerals in number system. We are now going through numerals in number system. So what are the numerals in number system which we are now going to discuss? Let us assume a number 61732. It means 61,732. Here, if we call separate digits in this number like 61732, then all these single digits here are known as numerals in number system. So you know the 61,732 is a number. 61,732 is a number. But if we call separate digits from this number like 61732, so all these digits separately are known as numerals in number system. So if you are asked in the question, if you are asked a question in the examination that what are the numerals in number system, so you will have to keep in your mind that in a number, if we call every digit of that number separately, then all those numbers separately will be known as numerals in a number system. So now we are going through importance of using comma in between digits of a number. So you know, we have seen so many of the numbers where we use comma in between the digits of a number. Like if we write 1,000, then you know, we place a comma between first 0 and 1. But why is this comma and what is the use of this comma? So here, there is a difference between international number system and Indian number system of this comma. In international number system, we use comma for a different interval of digits, but in Indian number system, we use these commas for different interval of digits in a number. Like to represent a number systematically, and for better reading we use comma between some particular digits in numbers. So we cannot place the comma where the no use of the comma. There will be some particular digits. The position of the digits will be very important to place any comma in between the digits. So So here, for example, in international number system, we write, so here, it is 1 lakh. It is 1 lakh. So in international number system, we write it as 100, comma, then we write 000. But in Indian number system, the same thing, 1 lakh. Because the value of this number is same. 1 lakh is the same in international system and in Indian number system. The value of the 1 lakh is same. But the difference is, in international number system, we use comma between 100 and 000. But in Indian number system, we use a comma between 100, then comma, then 000. So this concept will be explained in this chapter, and I have already explained this chapter in this concept in my book. Okay, so here it was the importance of using comma in between digits of a number. Now we are going through detailed information of all three number systems. So a separate video will be uploaded for the same international number system. We will now, in our next videos, we will discuss about international number system, Indian number system, Roman number system, and there are so many types of the numbers, like the numbers like rational numbers, irrational numbers, natural numbers, whole numbers, odd numbers. So there are so many types of the numbers in the mathematics. So we will discuss all these numbers in our next videos. How do you like this video? If you like the video, then please share it with your friends and family, and please have fun in your life and enjoy your life, and keep watching our videos and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We will meet in the next video. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thanks a lot.
घिरे हुए अंधियारे को अब हम दूर भगाएंगे, घिरे हुए अंधियारे को अब हम दूर भगाएंगे, ज्ञान की ज्योति जलाएंगे, हम ज्ञान की ज्योति